What if the journey itself felt like stepping into a moving mansion? What if every mile of road opened doors not just to destinations, but to a lifestyle filled with comfort, freedom, and luxury beyond imagination? Welcome to Car Flair, and today we're exploring the all-new 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Motorhome Camper Bus, a groundbreaking design that transforms travel into a two-story experience unlike anything you've ever seen. Toyota has always been a symbol of dependability, efficiency, and innovation. Now, in 2026, they've taken those values and stretched them to new heights, literally, with a double-decker motorhome that delivers twice the space, twice the convenience, and endless possibilities for families, couples, and travelers who want more than just a road trip. From the outside, the Toyota double-decker motorhome bus is breathtaking. Its towering presence, sleek aerodynamic bodywork, and bold LED lighting make it impossible to miss on the highway. The modern design is not just for show. Toyota engineers have carefully crafted every curve for stability and efficiency, ensuring this giant is as smooth to drive as it is stunning to look at. Step inside, and the adventure begins. The lower level of the bus is designed around community and functionality. Here you'll find a spacious lounge area with plush seating, panoramic windows, and a convertible dining zone perfect for family meals or evening gatherings. The fully equipped kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels, featuring a refrigerator, induction stove, microwave, and smart storage systems that make cooking on the move effortless. A highlight of the lower floor is the entertainment setup. Toyota has integrated smart screens, surround sound, and ambient lighting so you can watch movies, work remotely, or simply relax in a space that feels like a living room designed for the open road. The bathroom area is also located on this level, complete with a shower, sink, and eco-friendly toilet, ensuring that convenience is never compromised. Now, let's head upstairs, the crown jewel of the Toyota double-decker motorhome. The second level is dedicated to rest and privacy. Here you'll find multiple sleeping areas, including a luxurious master bedroom with a queen-size bed, premium bedding, and private storage. Additional fold-out or bunk options allow for comfortable sleeping arrangements for families or groups. Large side windows and skylights bring natural light into the upper deck, creating an open and calming atmosphere. Imagine falling asleep under the stars or waking up to mountain views, all from the comfort of your own bed. Toyota hasn't stopped at comfort. The 2026 double-decker motorhome bus also incorporates advanced sustainability features. Hybrid powertrain options and solar panel integration make it possible to travel farther while reducing your environmental footprint. Energy management systems keep everything from air conditioning to entertainment running smoothly, whether you're parked at a campsite or boondocking off the grid. Storage is another strength. Exterior compartments provide space for bikes, outdoor furniture, and adventure gear, while the double-deck design ensures the interior always feels spacious and uncluttered. Reinforced suspension and multiple rear axles give the bus remarkable stability, so even this massive two-story motorhome handles with confidence. The Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus is not just a vehicle, it's a moving lifestyle statement. It's perfect for families creating lifelong memories, digital nomads blending work and travel, or adventurers who want luxury while chasing the horizon. Toyota has crafted a motorhome that redefines freedom, making the road itself the destination. So, what if your journey wasn't limited by space? What if your home on wheels offered two levels of comfort, convenience, and style? With the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus, the future of travel is taller, smarter, and more exciting than ever. This is Car Flair, bringing you the boldest innovations in motorhomes and adventure vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the machines that are changing the way we explore the world.